Hello everyone, I want to show you how to install DBM themes to DBM. It's very easy, and as you can see I'm using one here which makes everything a little bit darker, and I like this design. It's a little bit smoother. But you can also install any random theme, like there's a Canadian theme, there's just lollipop themes, everything. And it's very easy because yeah, I can show it to you. You go to the link in the description, which brings you to this one here. Then you click the clone or download button. Go here to download zip. If you click this, you will be asked if you want to download this. I will just open it. This should work too. Click OK, and it will download. It's already done, so there's no problem, and it opened already. Oops, here. And yeah, we can close that. Go back to DBM. Click here on Project. Open Actions directory. And now you're in your installation path of DBM. Go one back, and yeah. So if you want to install a theme now, so we can go here, and for example, go to the custom Minecraft. That looks nice now. We'll go to the black and red theme for DBM. Okay, we can watch, if we can check a little bit how this looks like. So this is a little example of how it could look. We'll just have that here. Then we go here, put it a little bit there. Then we open the files files folder. Copy these both things and just drag and drop them here. That's all. Click on replace the files. Meanwhile, you can close DBM. Okay, that's all. You installed the theme. That's all. You can just start DBM now. And you see we already have a different loading screen. And we've installed the theme for DBM. That's pretty easy and fast. If you want to remove this theme because it looks a little bit you can just go to Steam, Library, Software, right-click DBM, Properties, Local Files, Verify Integrity of Application Files. This will uninstall every theme, and also a few mods, but not that much. Yeah. So if this tutorial helped you, feel free to leave a like or a subscription, and I hope I see you next time. Bye!